Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TCL Tab Max, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you'd like to be able to check the particular, the exact percentage of the usage of the battery, then nothing easier. All you have to do is to simply enter the settings. Now let's tap on the display and tap on the status bar, which should be at the very top. As you can see right here, we've got the battery percentage option, so just tap on it. And here we've got three different options, so probably you've got this option applied. As I said, only the battery indicator with no battery percentage. But as you can see, you can set next to the battery icon, which I had before, or inside the battery icon. So the percentage will be displayed inside the indicator. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your TCL Tab Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.